Ahem. Okay, hello guys. My name is Cheesecake Cat of Cole, and today we show you. Alright, this is it because I'm not. Alright, anything. The music this one is appreciated. Where's my favorite character is? Um, uh, okay, now I'm wondering, and then or you get the airplane. Okay, okay, let me think this one. And then alright, this is it. Maybe a half of this kinda. I'll get something. Maybe I'm about to because they're a nice Saturday and then it's one. So sorry guys. Now I can't make the battle for battle of secrets. It's coming soon. And then alright, we'll show you the footage up there. Okay. Where's the yellow one? Okay. No! Maybe how about this crown? What Latin? Wait, is that everything circle and square? Definitely a shapes. See this? That's the same with just a past animatic no, hey, get back. Okay, let me show you. Sheesh, I do this one. So we go with this one dimensions. Then we update the object scope below. It sounds so good. Pop. Wait, where's so many? Are you sound warning? Please turn the foil down. Why are there so many? And then you find out green marker. Or wow, is that Airy from one? Maybe this one. At dimensions one. This one. Alright, let me think I can do this one. Where am I? Where the heck am I? Where's my game? That makes me sleeping. So sleepy.